Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Indian butter chicken. Begin by cutting 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs into 1 and 1/2 inch pieces, ensuring they cook evenly and absorb flavors beautifully. Place the chicken into a large bowl, then add 1 cup of plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. Mix everything thoroughly until each piece is coated. Then cover and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes, or ideally for several hours, allowing the chicken to become incredibly tender and flavorful. Next, prepare the rich, aromatic sauce base that defines butter chicken. In a large pot over medium heat, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and add 1 large, finely chopped onion, cooking until it softens to a translucent golden color. Stir in 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 green cardamom pods, 1 bay leaf, and 1 cinnamon stick, cooking for about 1 minute until fragrant. Pour in 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, 2 teaspoons of garam masala, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Simmer for 10 to 15 minutes until the sauce thickens and the oil begins to separate, indicating deep flavor development. Now, it is time to bring the chicken and sauce together for that signature butter chicken experience. In a separate pan, sear the marinated chicken pieces in 1 tablespoon of oil over medium-high heat for about 5 minutes, just until they are lightly browned. Transfer the chicken into the simmering tomato sauce. Stir in 1/2 cup of heavy cream and 1 teaspoon of sugar, which enhances the dish's creaminess and beautifully balances the flavors. Continue to simmer the butter chicken, uncovered, for 20 to 25 minutes, allowing the chicken to become incredibly tender and fully infused with the rich, complex sauce. Your homemade Indian butter chicken is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it piping hot alongside freshly baked naan bread, perfect for scooping up every drop of that luscious sauce, or with fluffy basmati rice. Garnish each serving with a sprinkle of finely chopped fresh cilantro and a delicate swirl of heavy cream, adding both visual appeal and a refreshing herbal note. Butter chicken often tastes even more incredible the following day, as flavors meld and deepen, making it a fantastic dish for meal planning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.